Hey guys, this looks like a fun one. This is a video I made about a marble slide that I could not solve. I was able to get 2 stars with this method and then 2 stars with this method, but I could never get all 4 stars. I posted the video and within 2 days, 5 people emailed me solutions and I wanted to share them with you guys. They're in no special order. So here's the one we're trying to solve. The marbles come from here and we're trying to collect all these stars. The first one is Aaron's. Here it is right here. And here's all the formulas. His uses 26 equations. And it's got a cool shape to it. Let's watch it. And there it is, success. How exciting. So definitely the trick is all about distributing these marbles all over the place, but we can't really see how they're distributed. Let's see if we can squish this. Now we can see what's going on. The marbles bounce off that. That's how they get distributed. That's a pretty cool insight, being able to see what's going on higher up. Let's check out the next person. And the next person's Adrian. It looks like they did it in 7 equations. Let's check this out. Kind of a fun looking one. And there they are, success. How exciting. And I wonder, can we zoom out on this one too? Let's see what's going on higher up. Oh, so they're splitting way up high. That didn't solve it anymore. So by changing the orientation, it no longer solves it. It can't get to that third one. That's weird. It's so sensitive for how you have the page set up. Let's move it back and let's see if it'll work again. And then once again, it solves it, no problem. That's so interesting. So the orientation of the page changes things. So the next person is Aaron with 2 A's. And here's his right here. Let's check it out. Beautiful. And he used 9 equations. It's a good one. Nice and clean. 9 equations. How exciting. And let's try to zoom out on his. Let's see what happens. So same thing. He's hitting that spot up there. That's pretty cool. And now it doesn't solve it. Maybe if I tried a couple more times, it'll solve it, but it's fine. We've already seen it solve it in this orientation, so we're good. And it solves it again, no problem. This next one is Edwin. He had a pretty cool one. It bounced up and down, up and down, up and down. Let's see it go in action. How exciting. Does anybody know what this is doing right here? It's a 3-dimensional function that's just braces. And you have a colon here. I don't know what this is. I'll have to learn how this function notation works. It's definitely used down below. There's the 3 variables. That's so interesting. I have no idea how this was done. Let's check it out one more time. And there it goes. How exciting. And once again, here's all his equations. And the last person is Dan. I wasn't able to get this one to work. Here's a try that was my best try. I was able to get 3 of them. I tried over and over and over again. I made some manipulations. I think it's probably an orientation issue. I know it was solved though because he sent me his screenshot of it solved. So this is his solved. It's kind of a cool one too. So they bounce off of here. This shoots over here in a really interesting way because it doesn't look like it wants to catch it, but then it finally does. I can show you one of those. But yeah, so if you look here, it shoots out and then most of them miss right here, but then it catches up there. Pretty cool. And Dan ended up using 10 equations to solve it. How exciting. And here's a preview for the next episode. We're given a blue sector and a green circle. They have the same radius and the same perimeter. And it wants to know what is this angle in degrees. This looks like it'll be a fun one. How exciting.